In this video, we will be working with responsive mode for different types of devices. So, how to edit with responsive mode? As you can see, this is the home page. This is our website in desktop mode, and this is our website in different modes for iPhone X, iPhone 5, iPhone 6, 7 or iPad Pro. So you can see the modes and responsive size are differently changing as per devices. For example, iPhone 6, 7, 8 has 375 x 667, but if you go for iPad, it has 678 x 1024. So let's use responsive mode for different pages, different sizes. So let's use iPhone 6, 7, 8 for now, and let's try to refresh it once. Now you can see the backgrounds are same. Let's try to remove Hello World only on iPhone 6, 7, 8 and not on the device like desktop. So open responsive mode. Now you can see the responsive mode is on, and there are different resolutions for screen sizes, and we can customize it for different sizes. Let's customize it for 410px and below, and this is for 6, 7, 8 iPhone, and if you click on it, it will go for above. It will be for the desktop, iPad and other bigger sizes. So let's use for below, and let's try to remove the Hello World. Click on the text and select delete. And now if we save it, and now if we refresh it, the Hello World will be still present on the desktop. But now if we refresh it on the device, the Hello World will be hidden. You can see iPhone doesn't show it, but if you click on iPad, you will again see Hello World, because the iPad has a different resolution and iPhone has a different resolution. Let's change the color for only iPhone. Let's make it orange, and let's make it bigger. Okay, so this is for iPhone. Let's save it, and once it's saved, let's again see on both the devices. This is for desktop and this is for the iPhone. You can see the color has been changed, and you can see there is no change. Now let's try to change for desktop mode, because we are now using above screen size. Let's change this background into darker, and let's save it once. Now you can see the background has been changed. Thank you. This was the responsive mode. We can also change resolutions for different screens like 600, 400, 720, 960 and other. For example, this is, let's use below. Okay, so let's change the color like orange, and let's save it. Now we have a different color for different sizes. 6, 7, 8 has a different size, iPad has a different size, and iPad Pro has a different size because of the width and height. Thank you.